What's up guys, I'm Yaku from naxlab.com. Today we have another training video to share with you about replacing a broken laptop display. Let's get into it. Make sure the display is actually faulty and needs to be replaced. In this case, we can clearly see a crack, but you can send us a video for confirmation if unsure. Okay, first we shut down the system and wait for it to turn off completely. Then turn it upside down and remove or disconnect the battery. The model we're working on has an internal battery, so we need to remove the bottom cover to access the connector. We like to disconnect the battery as a precaution, but it's not necessarily required. Next, slide out the DVD writer if applicable. Now, turn the laptop into the upright position again. Now, open the lid and use a plastic pry tool to pry open the gaps between the body panels. Locate the battery connector and gently disconnect it from the port on the motherboard. Then put the bottom cover back into place and turn the laptop upright again. Carefully open the lid and remove any screws around the display if applicable. Our model only has plastic tabs holding the display together. Use your fingers and your plastic pry tool to open up the bezel around the display as demonstrated here. Depending on the model you're working on, there may be screws under the bezel that you need to remove to release the display panel from the upper casing. Remove the panel from the upper casing and lay it flat down on the keyboard. Be careful not to stretch the cable. There may be some tape covering the connector. Carefully peel this back without removing it completely. Lift the tab to release the connector and carefully remove it from the port on the display. Now replace the faulty display with your replacement unit. Follow the previous steps in reverse to reconnect the display and reassemble the system. Install 2 screws to hold the display in place. Plug in the charger and turn on the system to test the display before continuing with assembly. If the display passes the test, continue with assembly. Once the display has been replaced, consider getting insurance for your laptop if you don't have already. We can do an assessment to make an insurance claim for you to pay for your repair or replacement laptop. If you go ahead with our quote, we will credit the assessment fee as a discount on the repair or replacement. We can also make a trade-in offer and apply it as a discount towards a replacement laptop quote. Visit naxlab.com to contact us for assistance. See you next time. Take care.